Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 13th, 2023. I already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And this one you are interested. Yes, it's a binary time. Binary puzzle number. This will be number. Zoom this 7615. 7615. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, not always. 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Between those comes, oh wait, double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between the 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.